Hi everyone, in this video we are going to build this drone. So without wasting any more time, let's begin the video. Motor 1 and motor 2 will rotate in the anti-clockwise direction, while motor 3 and motor 4 will rotate in the clockwise direction. If you are not using the LED, you may not use the I2C board. You may directly connect the GPS into the I2C pin. So this is our telemetry air module. This means this is the module that we connect to our flight controller and our drone. So as we connect this wire to the telemetry module, this, we can see that the yellow wire is the TX wire, green is the RX, red is VCC, and black is GND. So when we connect this to our Crossflight flight controller, the VCC connects to the VCC, GND connects to the GND, but the TX connects to the RX and the RX connects to the TX. So we have to keep that in mind, and we have to do the soldering of this wire with the wire for the telemetry that is given in with the Crossflight. On the Radiolink quick start guide, over here you can see that it is given which wire is the VCC, which wire is the GND, and which are the TX and RX wire. The 5-volt wire is the pin is the VCC pin. So we are going to connect the VCC to 5-volt, GND to GND, TX to RX, and RX to TX. So this is the telemetry port number 1. So we are going to use this port, and this is the telemetry wire. So we will connect this wire to telemetry port 1. Okay. So the red wire is VCC, black is GND. The white wire over here is the TX wire, and the yellow wire is the RF wire. So this means that the white wire that is the TX wire. The TX wire will connect with the RX wire of the telemetry air module, and the yellow wire that is the RX wire for the Crossflight flight controller that will connect with the TX of the air module, telemetry air module. So here you can see I have connected the wires, the VCC with the 5-volt, GND with the GND, the TX with the RX, and the RX with the TX. And this is our ground air module, and we're gonna attach the antenna now. Before powering on the drone, make sure you have attached the antenna to the ground, to the air module, or else the air module will not work.
On the receiver, when you see the red light blinking, that means that the receiver is in binding mode. The blinking red light changes to solid red light when the binding is successful. So with that, all the hardware connections have been done. Now we only have to program the drone on the Mission Planner software. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, share this video and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.